Welcome back. Today we are doing Year 4 Place Value End of Unit Assessment. You'll be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. Let's go. This is the first question. We are asked to circle 341. These blocks here, they represent 1. These blocks here represent 10. And these blocks here represent 100. So there's only 1, so 1. And 4 in the tens column, so we need to circle 4 of these. Then we've got 3 in the hundreds column, so we need to circle 3 of these. Question 2. What number is shown on the place value grid? So in the ones column, we've got 4. In the tens, there's none. In the hundreds, there's none. And in the thousands, there's 3. Now we need to write this out. So 3 in the thousands column, 0 in the hundreds column, 0 in the tens column, and 4 in the ones column. So the answer is 3004. The second part of this question is to draw more counters to make the number 3048. So if we start with the thousands column, there's 3 and there's also 3 here, so we don't need to add any. In the hundreds column, there's 0 and there's 0 here, so that stays the same. In the tens column, there's 4, but there's none here, so we need to add 4 more. In the ones column, there's 8, and the ones column here, there's 4, so we need to add 4 more to make this number. So now we've got 3048. Complete the part whole diagrams. So we've got 7,129. So 7,000 would be 7 in the thousands column, so that's 7 as well. Now we've got 100, so that will be 1 in the hundreds column. We can cross that out as well. Now we've got 2 in the tens column, so that would equal 20. We've got 20 here, so we can cross them out. Now we're left with the ones column. We've got 9 in the ones column, so we need to write 9 in this circle here. Now for this one, 5,000 would be 5 in the thousands column. 700 would be 7 in the hundreds column. 60 would be 6 in the tens column. And we don't have any ones, so we fill the space with a 0. Question 4. What number is shown by the arrow? So at this end, we've got 1,000, and at this end, we've got 2,000. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines that are separating them. So if we divide 1,000 by 10, we can find out what each of these numbers represent. So the answer is 100. So each of these lines represent 100. So 1,000 plus 100 would be 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700. So the arrow represents 1,700. The second part of this question is to draw an arrow to the number 1,999. We know that each of these lines go up by 100 each time, so this line here would be 1,800. This line here would be 1,900. So we know that the number 1,999 is going to be between these two lines. And in the middle here, we've got 1,950. So it's going to be in this section now. And it's going to be really close to the 2,000 mark, but not at the 2,000 mark because it's one less. So if we draw our arrow in very close to it, that would be where 1,999 would be. Question 5. What is the value of the 5 digit in each of these numbers? Match the correct number to the correct value. Here the 5 is in the hundreds column, so that would mean that it is 500. The 5 in this one is in the thousands column, that means 5,000. The 5 is in the tens column, so that is 5 tens. And the 5 is in the ones column, so this would be this one. Question 6. Using the digit cards, make an even number between 7,000 and 8,000. The number has to start with a 7 because we are asked to make a number between 7,000 and 8,000. So the thousands digit has to be a 7 because we don't have an 8, and 8 would be past that mark. So 7 would be our thousands. Now for our hundreds, we can choose either 5 or 1. I'm going to choose 1. And for our tens, I'm going to choose 5. And my last number is going to be a 4. I chose to have 4 as my last number because here we are asked to make an even number, okay? And 4 is an even number. So, and my number is now between 7,000 and 8,000. 7,154. Question 7. Complete the missing numbers. First of all, you've got to work out what it's going up by each time. Here we've got a missing number, so we don't know what it's going up by. But here we can see that we've added 50. And here we can also see that it's added 50. So we can generally say that every time it's going up by 50. So 6,100, if we add 50 to it, would be 6,150. Adding another 50 would bring us to 6,200, 6,250, 6,300, adding another 50, 6,350, and our final 50 that we're going to add will bring us up to 6,400. Question 8. Jim makes a 4-digit number. The hundreds digit is a 7. The tens digit is 1 more than the thousands digit. The sum of all the digits is 10. What number did Jim make? So, if I draw 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we know it's a 4-digit number, that's why I've drawn 4 boxes. The hundredth digit is a 7, so we know that here we've got a 7. The tens digit is 1 more than the thousands digit. So whatever this number is, this number we're adding 1 to it. And we know that the sum of all the digits is 10. So we already have a 7, so 10 minus 7 equals 3. So we know that this number and this number need to add to make 3. So if the tens digit is 1 more than the thousands digit, that means that the thousand digit needs to be 1 and the tens digit needs to be 2. whatever the thousands digit is, when we add 1 to it, it makes 2. That's right. And our ones column need to make a 0 for this to be correct. So Jim made the number 1720. Question 9. Circle which of the following is equal to 5042. This equation here, 50 plus 42, that would give us 92. 50 plus 40, so 5 plus 4 is 9, that would be 90 plus 2 equals 92. 5,000, so 5 in the thousands column. 400, so 4 in the hundreds column. There's no tens, and 2 in the ones column. 5,000 plus 40 plus 2. So 5 in the thousands column. We don't have any hundreds, so 0. 40 would be 4 in the tens column, and 2, that would be 2 in the ones column. Circle which of the following is equal to 5042. There's only one answer here, and it's this one. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye!